Hello guys, welcome back. It's Marshmallow here again in Gorilla Tag. Today I'm going to show you how to play Gorilla Tag. So first off, you'll spawn in up there. What you're going to want to do is run to the end and then go up the ramp and then jump off down here. You'll probably land right over there. So first thing that I want to do is probably look around. You can do that. But if you want to know how to actually play, you came to the right person. Video. YouTube channel. So today, let me show you. Okay, so if you come over here, you can see double walls. And double walls, come over here, and what you have to do is go in here, push, push, push. But you have to do it every now and then. Push, 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 push. It's double walls, and you have done it. If you want to know one of the good branching skills, jump on here, jump here, jump here. We'll learn that in. So second off, we're going to teach you how to run. If you're brand new to the game and you do this still, that is not the right way. So what you want to do is, put one on in front and then push forward. Try and stay as low to the ground so you can run faster. But if you really want to run fast, you can just do this, like that, right, really fast. So let's go to public for some reason. I feel like going into public because it's a bit eerie. So now we're going to do double walls, running. What you're going to want to learn now
I have a feeling I know you.
is pinch climbing.
Celebrating the gift of arson. Hey,
Oh,
don't make me explode. The gift of arson.
And people will probably host Squid Game or something
The gift of arson
in
is
public.
an amazing gift.
But some people do swear on here, so
Grab them.
I do recommend sometimes going in a private. Now we're gonna learn juking. One of the classic juking
Bro, I'm waiting until you're gonna chase me.
is running over here,
I'm gonna see if you're gonna
put your arm through. Oh,
slap.
run. Oh, shoot. Hello. Hello. Right, it's my 12 minutes, so we're gonna run. Cannot hit me. Come on, run. I want you to listen to me. Listen to me. It's good. See what I mean? Some people have mods.
Hello, welcome back to my new video.
We're back in here. And as I was saying, one of the jukes that I know is right over here. So you jump and through. And then you pull it forward. So if someone's chasing you with a lava effect, like if you're playing tag, you can juke. So run, put your arm through, push. You have to do it fast like this. So, let me just show you. How do I make you follow me? Okay, I need you to follow me. Is that it? Is that the right button? Follow me? Yes. Now, look at this. If you come over here, run. Apparently you're chasing me. Oh, I didn't do it right. So pretend you're chasing me. And I'm running. Bro, Are you serious? So watch this. Like a juke, but people can't go through stuff like that, like you do. So we're gonna run over here. The next thing that we're gonna learn is branching. One of my best things that I can do. One of my best things. I'm gonna go back into a public. Publics are good. So if you join a new lobby, go over it.
K-I-L-O.
And
J-K-I-L-L.
jump over here.
L-O.
And jump up here.
J.
Really simple.
L-O.
Now you can use this. Jump over here. Jump over here. Jump over here.
J.
And jump over here. Jump over here.
J-K-I-L-O.
You typed it?
Okay,
Okay,
wait, hold on.
Is
Is
it
it J-K-I-L-O? Did you type that
Jump,
too,
jump, jump.
White? Yeah, come on.
7. Oh.
White, did you also type that? Yeah, come on.
And what we're going to learn now is wall running. So, first off, you come over here. Pull up, pull up. I'm not that good at wall running. We're just going to go over here.
Hello, darkness, my old friends.
So, another one.
Mom, I cannot see where I'm at.
Come on.
Left or right?
So, here. So we go like double walls, but like a little slant. And we go over it. You have to like push up you have to try and stay to the wall. And
It's the most wonderful time. The most wonderful
Over it.
time of the year.
and that
Yo, what the hell?
is how you play. Because I do it there. Anywhere really.
What?
So what we're gonna do is just
my
I'm
mom's
gonna jump.
car. Vroom, vroom.
It's gonna. So right over here is where you join room codes. Right here. Right here is where you join room codes. You can type in room codes right here. Then enter, just press enter. But option 1 means that you can join publics. And you can go down here, choose your name. And yeah. That is how you play Gorilla Tag. This is a pretty good tutorial. So if you don't know, if you thought this was a good tutorial, you know what to do. I've told you every single video that I had. Like, subscribe, ring that bell, and keep notifications on. And so you can get alerted when new videos come out. Remember guys, 50 subscribers live. And then you can join me. I'll teach you how to play because it is Christmas. And I just taught you how to join room codes, so you can watch a live stream and type the codes in. Then I'll be there. And I'll be in the code, maybe. So, hope you all have a nice day. Be kind. Like and subscribe if you want. Keep notifications on. Ring that bell. And Marshmallow out.